Hi, my name is Peter Johnston. I like doing videos on things I love, and today I'm going to show you what happens when you fly your Mavic Air outside in the snow. I know what you're thinking, probably a stupid idea, right? There are a couple things you can do to reduce the risk of destroying your brand new pretty drone. So let's dive into those. I want to test the all-weather capabilities of the Mavic Air. It's snowing like crazy outside, and I figured today would be the best day to try it out. So a couple things I wasn't sure about. Is the snow going to affect the sensors? And is it always going to think something's in front of it or behind it and I'm not going to be able to move? Is it going to affect the camera, the gimbal? You want to let this thing cool off and sort of equalize with the outside temperature. Otherwise, the snow will just melt on it and that could cause a problem. What I did is I took the battery out, made sure that I kept that somewhere warm in my pocket, left the unit outside, let it cool off for 2 minutes, and then go outside and start. The other thing is shelter. If you're going to be standing outside with a tablet or phone attached to your controller and it's snowing, it's probably going to get wet, and you don't want that unless you have a Samsung phone or something else that's waterproof. But I don't think the DJI controller is waterproof, nor is the drone actually. They state that it's definitely not waterproof, so that's why I cooled it off first. So that was interesting. It seemed to fly no problem. I had a bit of an issue right when I took off with it, where it was sort of not sure which direction to go and it wasn't staying in the same place like it normally does. But within a few seconds that all cleared up. I'm thinking you just didn't get a GPS signal and the cameras were having trouble locking on all the white snow everywhere. It flew just fine, no problem at all. Didn't affect it in any way. So that concludes my test of the DJI Mavic Air in a snowstorm, and that's a pass.